Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, let's take a look at the Cosmic Desktop Environment by System 76, which is generating a lot of anticipation. With the recent release of Cosmic Alpha 3, users can get a better feel for what this desktop environment is shaping up to be. The new alpha brings many bug fixes and small but meaningful improvements, moving Cosmic closer to a fully usable and enjoyable experience for daily use. So, what's new? For one, there's now support for custom system fonts, letting you personalize the look and feel of your interface. The File Manager has also received UI improvements, making it smoother and more intuitive to use. One exciting addition is the ability to install app images directly from the File Manager and handle Debian files downloaded from the web more seamlessly. While I haven't been overly enthusiastic about Cosmic so far, I'm curious to see if System 76's desktop will eventually carve out a real place in the Linux world. There's still some way to go, but these new features are steps in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the Cosmic Desktop.